Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the Betterment Android app, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your investments and achieve your financial goals. To get started, first download and install the Betterment app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also be asked to answer a few questions to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This information will help Betterment create a personalized investment portfolio for you. After creating your account, link your bank account to the app to deposit funds into your Betterment account. You can do this by providing your bank account details or by linking your account through a secure third-party service. Next, set your investment goals, such as saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. Betterment offers a range of pre-built investment portfolios to choose from, each with its own mix of low-cost index funds. You can also customize your portfolio to suit your individual needs. The app also allows you to set up automatic deposits to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This feature helps you invest consistently and avoid emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. To track your progress, use the app's dashboard to monitor your account balance, investment returns, and portfolio allocation. You can also use the app to adjust your investment portfolio, change your investment goals, or withdraw funds when needed. One of the key benefits of the Betterment app is its low fees and minimal account balance requirements. The app also offers tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability and maximize your investment returns. In conclusion, the Betterment Android app is a user-friendly and powerful tool for managing your investments and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can create a personalized investment portfolio, set and track your investment goals, and make informed decisions about your financial future.